Okay, this is omnitrix1992 news. We have the report. What's the report, Kegan?
Well, nice night tonight. A little bit cloudy. I think that's a stratus right there. Let's see. It's about, what time is it, DJ?
It is 9:38.
Thank you very much. And right now, we're just about to watch a very great fireworks show. So, yep. Tonight's a very nice night. Back to you, TJ.
Okay, thank you, Kegan. Now, you might see some colors of red, blue, yellow, green. Oh, what? I'm just gonna say the whole rainbow. Okay, we're waiting for it to begin.
Yep, I'm feeling all tensed up, TJ. Can't wait to see the fireworks.
Okay, we're at the fireworks display now.
And I'm about to watch them explode. Wait a minute, was the camera aimed at me?
No.
Oh.
You want to say something else? Hang on. You want to say something else?
Okay. Yep, we're just about to watch some very colorful explosions and flares and other kind of things that would amuse people at a night like this.
Okay, now go.
There seems to be a delay in the fireworks, but hopefully this problem will be solved.
Yes, we would not want to miss fireworks.
Loud like a shotgun, DJ.
Loud like a shotgun? That is right, Kegan. And the fireworks have begun!
Very colorful, I have to admit. Right, DJ?
Right, Kegan. Vivid colors for any imagination.
That was a very interesting shape, don't you think, TJ?
Yes, very interesting. Like a cylinder with 3 circles.
Yes, interesting indeed.
So?
Okay, last thing going.
loud.
Finale! That was the finale!
And I have to admit, that last firework was a big one, wasn't it, TJ?
Yes, it was big. It was the loudest one almost, except for the one where it shot me.
Good point.
Thank you, Kegan, for broadcasting live at the fireworks finale.